What if I told you that Google Gemini can take your photo, add another uploaded photo, and create a blend new image with both people together? No Photoshop, no complicated editing, and no design experience required. Just upload two photos, write a simple prompt, and let AI do the work. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. And stay until the end because I will share a simple prompt formula that can make your AI image look much more realistic. Let's get started. AI image generation is getting better every day, and one of the most impressive features inside Google Gemini is the ability to understand multiple images at the same time. That means you can upload your own photo, upload another reference photo, and ask Gemini to create an entirely new scene. Whether you want a cinematic portrait, a travel photo, a professional photo shoot, or a social media image. The process is surprisingly easy. So let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1. First, open Google Gemini. Start a new chat. Now look for the image upload button. Tap it. Then upload your own photo. Try to use a clear image, a photo where your face is clearly visible. A high quality image usually gives better result. Once your photo is uploaded, don't generate anything yet. There is one more image we need to add. And this next step is where everything starts to come together. Step 2. Now upload the reference photo. Once both images are visible inside Google Gemini, the AI can analyze both subjects. And now comes the most important part, the prompt. Many people write something like, "Put us together," and then they are disappointed with the result. Instead, give Gemini a detailed instruction. For example, create a realistic photo featuring the person from the first image and the person from the second image standing together in a beautiful park during sunset. Keep the keep both faces natural. Use cinematic lighting and make it look like a professional photograph. Now, see the difference. You are not just telling Gemini what to create, you are telling it exactly how the final image should look. And that's the secret to getting better result. Now let's generate the image. Step 3. Click generate. Wait a few seconds and Google Gemini will create a new image based on your instructions. But here's something most people don't know. You don't have to stop at the first result. You can continue the conversation. You can ask Google Gemini to improve the image. For example, make the lighting more cinematic, increase the realism, change the background, create a travel photography style, or place both people in a famous location. The more specific you are, the better Google Gemini understands what you want. And here's the bonus tip that I promised. Whenever you write a prompt, always describe three things. Number one, the people. Number two, the location. And number three, the photography style. When you include all three, the final image usually look much more professional. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Gemini to combine your photo with another uploaded reference photo and generate completely new AI images. And the process is simple. The quality of your result depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. So don't be afraid to experiment. Try different locations, different styles, and different creative ideas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, Gemini tips, ChatGPT tips, and content creation tools. And let me know in the comments what kind of image you are planning to create first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.